Hello, the question is, a line P passes through the point. So line P passes through the point 2, 5. So it passes through a point 2, 5. Okay, negative 2, 5. Negative 2 and 5. And has a gradient of negative 3 over 4. Another line Q is perpendicular to P and meets it at a point where y is 12. So that's point of intersection. So if that's P, this is Q. So what it means is that we have X, but Y at that point is half. Find the equation of Q. That's what it means. So I'm taking two lines. I'm trying to figure out two lines. This is line Q. Are they perpendicular? Oh, they are perpendicular. So I need a better drawing. Yeah. They are perpendicular. They don't just cross. So let me see. Yes. So if this is P and this is Q, so we are told at this point of intersection, the coordinate of X is unknown, but Y is known to be half. Y is known to be half at that point. But then this line is, we are also told, passes through this point. Then find the equation of Q. The equation of Q. We can only find the equation of Q if we can only find the equation of Q if we can find the value of X. Yes, if we can find the value of X. So let's proceed to find the value of X. And ordinarily what we should have had, okay, first let me see what the line P will look like. The line P will look like this: y minus 5 over x plus 2, because x minus 2. And that should be minus 3 over 4, implying that 4 into y minus 5 is equal to minus 3 into x plus 2. This should imply that 4y minus 20 is equal to minus 3x minus 6. Therefore, 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 14. Y is minus 3 over 4x plus 14 over 4. That is the equation of line P. That's the equation of line P. Now, the gradient of line Q, the gradient of line Q is minus 3 over 4m is equal to minus 1, because they are perpendicular to each other, implying that m, that gradient, will be 4 over 3, because it's the reciprocal, 4 over 3. So the gradient of OQ that we want, we already know, is 4 over 3. And we know that y at the point of intersection, that is the point where they meet, is half. So should we, if we specify the value of x, then that should assist us to specify the equation of Q. So how do we get x? We get x by substituting the value of y in this equation of P. So where was the equation of P? The equation of line P is this. This is line P. So that equation, if we use this equation and half, we are able to find the value of x at this point. So what we'll do is we say half, using this, half is equal to minus 3 over 4x plus 14 over 4. That should imply that minus 3 over 4x is equal to half minus 14 over 4. So minus 3 over 4x is equal to, LCM is 2, that's 14, minus, that's 2, so I have minus 12 over 4, which is minus 3. So minus 3 over 4x is equal to minus 3, implying that x is equal to minus 3 times 4 over minus 3, which is 4. X is 4. So if x is 4, we come and place it here. Now we know that the entries here are 4 and half. 4 and half. So if it's 4, then I can now find the equation of the line Q. As using this point and any arbitrary point and the gradient of this line that we already had. I rubbed its gradient, but it should be somewhere. We'll find it. The gradient, I rubbed it, but let me see where is the gradient. So if this was this, that's 4 over 3. 4 over 3 is the gradient. So I'll say y minus 0.5 over x minus 4 is equal to 4 over 3. Therefore, 3 into y minus 0.5 is equal to 4 into x minus 4. So 3y minus 1.5 is equal to 4x plus 16. 3y is then equal to 4x plus 17.5. Therefore, y is equal to 4 over 3x plus 17.5 over 3. That is the equation of the line. And to write it in a better, this is 3y minus 1.5 is equal to 4x minus 16. 4x minus 16. So if it's minus 16, then, sorry, let's just make the correction. If it's minus 16, then it implies that 3y is equal to 4x minus 14.5, because that becomes a plus. Therefore, y is equal to 4 over 3x minus 14.5 over 3. Are we asked to write it in a particular form? No. So we can just leave it as that. So it's this or this. So that's the answer. Up to there, I urge you to do a lot of practice on the same, and as you prepare for your upcoming exams. And I wish you success. See you in my next video.